Our latest home air conditioner includes smart maintenance technology that can keep it running in perfect condition for years to come. Like most things in your home, dust and dirt can settle on your air conditioner. But more importantly, dust builds up inside it, reducing the amount of air that can flow through it and making it less powerful over time. Hitachi-airHome includes exclusive frost wash technology that helps to maintain the performance of your AC for years to come by freezing dust and dirt, melting it and washing it away. Frost wash is 3 times better at maintaining airflow performance than AC without this. What's that weird smell? Could well be your aircon. It's caused by mold and bacteria growing inside the unit because the internal components can get damp from normal operation. Hitachi-airHome features a mold guard function which gently blows air through internal components after each usage cycle, preventing the buildup of mold and bacteria, and therefore eliminating the source of those odors. So, with airHome, you get smart maintenance technology that can preserve airflow performance for years and remove the cause of those funky odors. Hitachi-airHome. AC for people who don't want to think about AC.